Hi players. So we've been working on our shape with our 4-3-3, and I've been talking to you about where your position should be when you are in the defensive third, the middle third, and the attacking third. So here I have a soccer field and players. You see the keeper in the back with the gray shirt. We've got 4 defensive players with red and a midfielder player in blue. And then in the middle line, we've got the 2 midfielders and then the 1 forward player. And then in the front line, we've got 2 offensive players, and those are in orange. So here, to start, we're looking at the defensive third. Oops, let me go back there. And in the defensive third, we've got the ball over on the left side. So number 11 is on that ball, putting pressure on it. And then if you can see, the back line is holding their line. That number 6 is back as that 5th defender. And then we have 3 in the middle with our 8 and our 10, providing that coverage in the center, and our number 7 dropping back and giving some center coverage. If everybody's playing their position, then we are in good shape. All right? And then when we move into the middle third of the field, note how we change slightly. We still have the defenders holding their line, and we have some movement from the midfield. Our number 6 has moved more central now, and our number 7 is beginning to move a little wide. We still have options here if that ball is won or if that number 11 decides to make a pass over. But again, we're just looking at shape and remembering the overall feel for it. And then here finally in the attacking third, note all of that support that we have in the center of the field. Our keeper is now just below the center circle, maybe just a little bit more. We can move our keeper, just about in here, and that's fine. And then we have our 2 center backs who are holding that center, and then we have the arc of the back here. So over here we have number 3 that is ready in the case that that ball comes there. Then we've got some help and some coverage. Notice all the triangles that we have here. We have all kinds of triangle options, and that's the key there, that we can move that ball around and we've got that support. All right, so let's take a look at what that looks like in slow motion, and I'm going to play the whole video here. Again, the whole idea of some movement and just awareness. Let's look at that one more time. Just some awareness of where you should be on the field depending on what third you're in. All right, players, see you tomorrow.